Hi everyone, I am Abdul from AM Graphix. Today in this video, I will show you how to add a design on stairs in Photoshop. So let's get started. First, make a selection of the man. After make a selection, press Ctrl J to duplicate the layer. And now create a new layer. Before going to vanishing points, so we are copy the design that we want to place on stairs. So just go to design layer. Press Ctrl A to select and press Ctrl C to copy. And go back to the original layer. And don't worry, it's temporarily save in Photoshop memory. So select the new layer and go to filter vanishing point and zoom out and add perspective points to the stair edges. Now hold Ctrl and click to follow the stair steps. After make the proper grids, press Ctrl V to paste the design that we copied and press Ctrl T to transform. After adding the design on stairs, click OK. Now place the man layer on the top of layer 2 and select layer 2 and change that blend mode to overlay. Go to blending options, move the white underlying slider to the left side and break it by holding Alt and drag with click and hit OK. And see how we can easily add design on stairs. Here is the before, here is the after. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you found this trick helpful.